have the Mother's Day edition glossy box. They sent me this for review purpose. I just got it in the mail. Because Mother's Day already passed, I'm not sure if this is still available or not. This is I'm thinking a limited edition box. I'm really not sure, so I'm gonna put any additional information down below if you're interested in purchasing one. I hope that they are still available when this video goes up. So let's go ahead and look at the box together. The box has a little floral theme and it says you are the best because mothers, oh my God. In Spanish we say like mothers are only one. Madre hay una, because mothers put so much weight on themselves, and being a mom myself, yeah, so I love the fact that they have you are the best. And then when you open it up, it has like a peachy little tissue paper and the ribbon there. We're gonna go ahead and open it up, and that's very constant with, or you know, always a theme with GLOSSYBOX. They always put tissue paper and ribbon. Always makes it feel like you are opening a gift, which I absolutely love. I don't see a, you know, usually there's like a pamphlet or something that tells you the price points, but I don't have one in this box, so I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't have one. But the first thing I see are these velvet trends. I've gotten these before and absolutely love them. Their sunglasses are absolutely amazing. So let's see what style this is. Oh, these are aviators. I have their other like more, what are those called, like not like metal frame, but like the plasticky kind of frame from Velvet, and I absolutely love them. And this is what they look like. These are really perfect for the summer now, so really cute. Love these. Really nicely made, and if I'm not mistaken, these velvet ones are around like $50 to $60 each, so you're getting a really good value for your buck with this box. Next thing in here is the Bioderma Sebum. This is for combination to oily skin. I use the one that's more for normal to dry skin, but this is absolutely amazing. I have used Bioderma before, and this is a really good cleansing solution for after your makeup, after you wash your face, or even as like a toner in the morning. Really great. Next thing in here is the Nude Sticks Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Peel. This is lemon, papain, apple, pomegranate, and it is a micro peeling visage. It's a deep pore cleanser, skin exfoliant, and skin brightening glow all in one. And basically, like, you can apply it as a mask, and then you start to massage to peel for 2 minutes and rinse off with water. And they recommend you use this 3 to 4 times a week. Because it's one of those like peeling things, I would probably start like once a week and then see how your skin reacts to it, and then go from there, because you don't want to overdo it just in case it's like way too strong for you. Next thing that I see in here is by Couve Beauty. It's a volumizing mist, and it is kind of like a deluxe size. It says thicken strands with all day hold. So I am going to try this out for my hair. I have really thin hair and I'm always looking to add volume. And it says spray all over, air dry or blow dry. And it says it has champagne, white truffle, and platinum extracts plus skincare grade ingredients. So I don't know, but we shall see. I wonder what this smells like. It's kind of like, let me see. Oh, it has a really nice smell to it. It just sprays it all over my hair. Hopefully it doesn't like start to become crunchy or anything, but I did flat iron it today, so it's not going to add that much volume to it. Next thing that I see in here is from the brand Lala, from Give Them Lala. She is from Vanderpump Rules, and this is, oh, I did not know she had a mascara. I have tried her lip products, but I did not try her mascara yet. So let's go ahead and just look at the wand. Oh, this is totally my type of wand. I love really small little, what are these called? Like the little, God, I can't think right now. The little, on the wand, I like really tiny, small, God. I like small, God, what? I could not think of the word, but the little spikes here that you go through your eye, these are really small and really delicate, and I prefer them to be tinier like that just because I have smaller eyes, and I just feel like it makes me able to get more volume and like really extend my lashes out. So I'm going to definitely give this a try and see how it goes. I did not know that she had a mascara available in her line. Next thing is this little bag, and it says Glass House Fragrances. I have never heard of this brand. Oh, there's 4 of them in here. This is cute. And they're all individually wrapped, so they all have their own little box. And one is called Kyoto in Bloom. The other one is Midnight in Milan. Then we have a Taha Affair, and then Forever Florence. And each one kind of gives you like the main notes on the front. On the back, it kind of gives you like a description. One's a floral, powdery, a gourmand flower, a chapeau floral, God, I'm butchering this, and an oriental flower. So they're all different flower ones, and they give you like all the different notes on the back, and it tells you like if it's soft and comforting, sensual and exotic. So I don't have any perfume right now, so I think I'm gonna use the let's go with the Delectable and Captivating. So this has a sea salt, jasmine, sabac, caramel, butterscotch, and cedar wood. And yeah, so let's see what this looks like. Oh, these are like my favorite ones. I love small perfumes like this. That I am like a sucker for testers. Like anytime it's Sephora that you can add like you know, like a free gift, like those free little samples, I always get the perfume ones. So let's go ahead and test this out and see. Oh, that's really like, you can really smell the butterscotch in there. Oh, really like that. So there's 4 of them, and I'm going to definitely try these out because I love me some perfume, and especially in mini sizes. I don't really purchase a lot of full size perfumes anymore. I really go for the smaller ones just so I can switch it up a lot. Next thing in here is a box. And this is the Grande, by Grande Cosmetics, the Grande Pout. It's a plumping lip mask, and it's in Berry Mojito, which I am down for because I got some small lips and I am terrified of doing lip fillers. I don't want to ever be botched up. I have never done Botox or anything, like any injectables. And not that I'm against them. I even got a consultation. I'm scared of pulling the trigger, to be honest. But this is what it looks like. It's a plumping lip mask. I'm gonna try to do a video for you guys, so, and see if we can do like a before and after, see if you can see like a big difference or not. Let me know if you guys would be interested in that. So apparently it's supposed to give you like voluminous lips. It has Volulip and Dura Quench. If this works, I would be down for buying this, but it's supposed to help reduce lip lines, wrinkles, and is supposed to help like give you a natural barrier and moisture for 72 hours. It says to apply 2 times daily and for 30 days to see the maximum effect. So maybe I'll do that. I'll do like a before, use this for 30 days and see if we see an after. But very interesting. And then what else is in here? Okay, next up is by La Rosse Beauty. I'm not sure. La Rousse. I want to say that these are brushes. I'm not sure. So let's go ahead and open these up. And, oh, yeah, we have 2 brushes. One is a brush to a tapered blending, and the other one is an angled. I don't really care for a lot of these angled ones a lot, to be honest. Sometimes you can use them a little bit, like if you're gonna put a color here into the inner socket kind of placement, but to be honest, I don't really use them that much. But I will probably gift these forward because I have quite a few, and if you guys just saw, I did like a major declutter of my collection, and I did take out quite a few brushes because there was just way too many brushes. So a cute little set with 2 brushes. And then the last thing in here is by Laritzy Cosmetics. It is called their Artistry palette. I think I've seen this previously and I did not keep it because I want to say it was like really, oh, this is pretty. This is very like mauve tone, like an everyday kind of color. Very, very beautiful for everyday. I think my mom would really like this, so I'm going to see if she wants this. If not, I will definitely give this to a coworker. But I just have so many products that are similar to this. But this is the Royal palette, and this is their Artistry. And these pans are huge, like huge. This is like double the size of a MAC eyeshadow pan, as you can see there. But that is everything that came in the Mother's Day box. Let me know if you guys bought one of these, if you are a GLOSSYBOX subscriber, if you got this limited edition box or not, or I'm not sure because Mother's Day already passed. It was last weekend. So I'm not sure, but hopefully if they still have them available, now you guys will see what is in here. I think this is a really, really great box. There's a little bit of everything, and if you're still like, if your mom lives far away, if you hadn't sent her something yet, then maybe this is a great one to pick up because it has a little bit of makeup, perfume, it has the lip plumper, mascara, it has some skincare up in here, a little bit of hair care, and the sunglasses. So you have like a good mixture of products. I love when they do boxes like that where it's like a little bit of everything, so you kind of feel like, yeah, I just got, like, you feel like you just got like a Christmas gift and you got like a little bit of something here, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you ain't subscribed, hit that red button. You can subscribe and watch the videos that call to you. I try to upload, especially I've been trying now to at least upload once a week every Monday night. So watch out for those videos. And I also have my social media down below. I have my Spanish channel as well. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.